Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to show you the process I've created that for every secured loans that's being created, it will create a set of folders automatically for that specific record. So I will show you. So here, let's say I have the loan record details with So I'm gonna save this and let's see what we have. So now this is the record, and I have also created a link here so that it will go to that specific folder. So as you can see now, we have this folder created with the format of the borrower's name, address, and then the loan number. And then if you click this, so you can access the inside of the folder, which is this one. So that is possible by creating a workflow rule here that for every loan, secured loan is created, it will run the specific function that I've written. So this is how it will work. Thanks and goodbye.